Hello guys, you are welcome to Design Hub, your number one channel that teaches you all the tricks and ways on how to produce stunning designs with your smartphone. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button. Also like this video and also like that you turn on the notification bell so that you get notified on every new video I drop in my channel. Please, equally, I would like that you share this video. So in today's tutorial, we are going to design a simple but classic church flyer. I want you to stay to the end of this video because I'm sure you are going to learn something new. So right away, let's head on to our pixellab. Okay, so yeah, we want to make sure that our design, the size of our image is 1280 by 1280. So right away, I will import the background of the flyer. Okay, so this is the background we shall be using. I have to make sure that the size of this background is 1:1. So I'll click here, then I click OK. I downloaded this background from a website. Yeah, there is a website where you can get inspiration on your design. If you want to know that website, I have a video in this channel telling you how you can get ideas or inspiration and even resources for your designs. Just go through this channel, you see that video and watch. So I will enlarge this background to occupy the screen. So I'll make sure that the background occupies the entire surface of the screen. Okay. What I want to do here now is to go to shapes, choose the circular shape, reduce the opacity to 0. I go to the stroke width, I increase the stroke width to the maximum. I come now to blur radius, I increase it to 25. So I'll minimize this. Okay, I'll go to the stroke color. I'll change the stroke color to white. Okay, so what I will do now is just to enlarge this, do a copy of it, do another copy. Okay, so I will copy this again and place up here, do another copy and place up here. I think that is okay. So I will come here and lock them so that they will not move from their original position. Okay, now let me put in the theme first. For this text, I will go to and rotate where I have rotate here, put the angle at -2. The text, the theme is redeeming the time, redeeming. Capitalize or redeeming first. So I will go to my font. I will choose this font type here. If you don't have it, you can download. I equally have a video on how you can download font and install your pixellab. So go through this channel, you see that video how you can download font, the simplest way you can download and install fonts in your pixellab. So I'll be using these fonts. You can go and download these fonts and install this particular one, Glitting Regular. This one, yeah, Glitting Regular. Okay, so I will enlarge. Let me check the font size here, 70. Okay, let me leave it at 70. Let me increase a bit. Let's say 75. Now for the color, I will be using the gradient color. Now this is a color I'll be using, this color or this one. Okay, but I want to show you how I came out with that color, or rather, to not waste a lot of time, I'll click on this plus sign. Yeah, and you say how many bars do I have here? I have about 4 bars. This is the first bar, right? So you go to your gradient color, go to where I am now, and put in 4 bars. Initially for you will see only 2 bars like this. I'm sure this is how your own will be showing, only 2 bars. In order to add additional bar, you see the plus sign, you click on that plus sign, you add a bar, this plus sign again. So that's how you can add bars to that color gradient. So I'll be choosing this color. Now for you to have the same color with me, this first bar, right? If you look at this first bar, click on that first bar and then you click on this color 2 down here. This color 2 will take you to this place. After that, after you have you have arrived at this page, you click on this tool up here. Okay, so now we take you now to the color code of this tool. This is the color code of that color. So you copy this color code, yeah, and place in that your own face bar. We give you the same color, 4Z, 2Z, 80. You copy that color code. Now you come to the second. This is the color code for the second, 1A65E2. You copy, we give you the same exact colors. Yeah, you do same and you position them the way I have positioned. You see the first three are a little bit closer to each other, while this one is a bit further, right? So just position them the same way I have positioned them, and we give you this exact color. So I will copy this and I will type in the time. And I make sure that it aligns with this one up. Okay. This one is at 82. Okay. So again, I will copy this, but at a smaller size now. Let me reduce the size first. Okay. So I'll put for the days are evil. For the days are evil. And make sure that I capitalize the first letters of the keyword. Okay. So I'll be using a different font here. The font I'll be using here is this one. Yeah, Loster Masterlight. I'll be using this font. So let me just capitalize the word, the letters, sorry, the word or the sentence or whatsoever. Let me capitalize it. For the days are evil. Also, let me put in the text, which is Ephesians 5 verse 16. Okay, let me reduce the size. So we rotate it to -2, we reduce the size. Let me increase a bit. I want it to fit well under the time. Okay, it's well fitted. Okay, so let me put in now the name of the church. That should be Christ Body Youth Presents. Oops. Christ Body Youth Presents. Okay, the color I'll be using here for this text is this purple color. You can equally choose the color of the background. You want to choose the color of the background, click on this plus sign here, then click on this color picker tool up here, this one, click on this color picker tool, then I click on the background. You take that purple color, just click where you have that purple color. Okay, so that's it. Now for this the text, the font type I will be using here is Montserrat Black. I'll be using this Montserrat Black. You can equally download and install. Okay, so I will reduce this to some number. Let me take 15. Okay, and then now place at the center. Okay, so let me put in the program, 2 days program. So make sure that this also rotates to -2. Yeah, we're using a different font as well. This one, Montserrat Medium. So I will reduce the size to 15. Then I will change the color to this. That will come onto my spacing tool, and I increase the spacing to 15. That I place at the center. Okay, now for the theme, put in the theme here. And make sure that it is also rotated at -2. Okay, so what's left now? The only thing left now is to input the dates, the time, and the venue. So for the date, it will be on Sunday the 16th to Saturday the 17th. So you take still this color. Nope, let's use this one. This one, yeah. So initially this is what you have, right? So what I've done, I've just done the side. I've taken this side this way and this one this way. Yeah, that's what I did here for this. That's why I have this. Yeah, that lighter part is at the left. Okay, so I'll come here, we choose this font, this one, Montserrat Black. That we minimize the font to this value to 15. That also make sure that it is at -2. Okay, so place this here. Now what's left is the month, right? That should be in September 2023. Yeah, we use Montserrat Medium. Okay, so let me rotate this too. That is in such a way that it aligns with this one under. So let me increase a bit. Maybe just okay. Okay, so let me just put in this shape here. So the color I'll be using here is this color. Okay, so we are done with that. It's left now for us to put in the time and the venue. So the time of this program will be at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. and the venue will be Christ Body Outreach. Go all with so for this now, the color will take the same color. We will take a -2. The font type here still be in native. Okay, so I will just make sure that it aligns with this one. Make it use a font size. That gap, that line spacing, I want to reduce the line spacing too. Okay, so bring in your ruler tool to make sure that they were aligned. Okay, let me reduce that size a bit. Okay, yeah, I'm sure they are well aligned now, so I want to put all of this at the center to make sure that they are well aligned at the center. Okay, yeah, so let me just bring in a resource, a tiny resource. So this is what I'll be putting there. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I'd like you to hit on that subscribe button. Also like this video and turn up the notification there. So I will go now to where we have color filters. I will increase it to 180 or place this time here. Or place it here, and I will reduce the opacity. To 50. So I'll copy this and also place here. Okay, so one element I'll distort like this one. Let me shift it a bit. Okay, yeah. I think we are done with the design. So this is how I came out with this design. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I'd like you to subscribe. Please, if your unsubscribe button is still showing red, it means you have not subscribed. You not do me justice if you don't subscribe to this channel. Also like this video so that many people can get access to it. And I would like you to drop your challenges. Maybe you have challenges with graphic design, or there is a particular video you want me to do. I'd like you to drop your suggestions in the comment box. Also, share this video so that people can benefit from what you have just benefited. I also like you to, hit on that notification bell, because I usually drop interesting videos on how to do stunning designs with your smartphone, especially those who don't have access to a computer. You can follow up this channel because I drop content on how you can design great and professional flyers with your smartphone. Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.